हेलो फ्रेंड्स। हम यूपी पीसीएस आर का जो एग्ज़ाम 11 फरवरी 2024 में हुआ था उसके पेपर को देख रहे थे। जो हमने 25 क्वेश्चन तक कर लिया है। अब नेक्स्ट 26 क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं। तो 26 क्वेश्चंस है। Given below are two statements in which one is labeled as assertions and the other as reasons. Assertion A. The northern slopes of Himalayas are thicker vegetations covered as compared to southern slopes. The southern slopes of Himalayas receive more rainfalls than the northern slopes. So इसका आंसर A is false, B is true होगा, क्योंकि the southern slopes of Himalayas receive more rainfall due to southwest monsoons. Winds which travels west along the southern slopes. The northern slopes do not receive any such rainfalls, so southern slopes are covered with thick vegetations as compared to northern slopes. इसका आंसर भी होगा। तो southern slopes of the Himalayas receive more rainfall than the northern slopes. इस वजह से इधर ज़्यादा बारिश रिसीव की जाती है, तो इस वजह से इधर साउदर्न पार्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा थिक वेजिटेशन हमें देखने को मिलते हैं। क्वेश्चन 27 गिव व्हेन बिलो द टू स्टेटमेंट्स इन विच लेवल्स एज असर्शन ए एंड द अदर्स रीजंस. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was editor of Samvad Kaumudi or Bengal's Weekly, and reasons his articles condemning the customs of widows burning were published in its. So both statements are true और रीज़न भी सही है। संवाद कामुदी Bengali weekly was edited by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. In this weekly magazines in the articles has condemned the customs, widow burnings and social swells. Hence both assertions and reasons are correct. Match list 1 and list 2 and selected the correct answer using the codes given below. फुतुल उस सलातीन्स फिरोज शाह तुगलक, फुतुहत फिरोज शाही अब्दुल मलिक इस्लामी, फ़रीक़ फिरोज शाही अमीर खुसरो, खाजैन उल फुतूह जैनुद्दीन बरौनी. So correct option is C. फुतुह उल सलातीन्स अब्दुल मलिक इस्लामी, फुतुहत फिरोज शाही फिरोज शाह तुगलक, तहरीक फिरोज शाही जैनुद्दीन बरौनी, खाजे उल फुतूह अमीर खुसरो. So friends, 29 क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. Given below are the two statement in which one is labels assertions and the other reasons. A person traveling in a car with closed glass windows and doors is safe from lightning strikes. Actually, a closed cars behave like hollow conductors, so charge cannot enter inside the car. So option C is correct. Both A are true. R is correct explanation of A. So a person's travel in a closed windows and doors is safe from lightning strikes. सही है. Actually a closed car behave like a hollow conductor, so charge cannot enter inside the car. Explanation करेगा person traveling in a closed car with glass windows and doors is safe from the lightning strike because a closed car behave like a hollow conductor, so charge cannot enter inside the car. Thus, both assertion and reason are correct reasons. Question 30. With reference to our Rhine rivers in Europe, which of the following statement is correct? Rhine River is an important pathway for industrial activities in the northern Germany. Port of Rotterdam is located at the north mouth of Rhine River. So इसका options B होगा only 2. Port Rotterdam is located at the mouth of the Rhine River. First option गलत है. Rhine is an important pathway of industrial activity in northern Germany. Wrong. Rhine River is an important pathway for industrial activity in the western Germany, not की northern Germany. Not northern Germany. Hence statement 1 is correct. The part of Rotterdam is located at the mouth of the Rhine River. It is the largest sea ports in Europe. Hence statement 2 is correct. Question 31. Consider the following statement with reference to Rudramas and choose the correct statements about her. Rudrama was fourth independent ruler of Kakatiya dynasty of Varangas. She defeats Pandyas of South Tamil Nadu, Eastern Ganga rulers of Orissa and Shuana rulers of Devagiri. So both first and seconds are correct. तो रुद्रमा एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं. ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट है. द काकातिया डायनेस्टी was founded by the Beta Rajus who took the name of Prolas Raja in the early 12th centuries. Rudrama, also known as Rudrama Devi, was the fourth independent ruler of Kakatiya dynasty of Varangals. She defeated the Pandyas of southern Tamil Nadu. She also repulsed invasions by the Senas, Vadavas, rulers of Devagiris, Eastern Ganga rulers of Orishas, and Gajapatis from the northeast. Hence, both statements are correct. Rudrama was fourth ruler of the Kakatiya dynasty of Angals, and she defeated the Pandyas of South Tamil Nadu and Eastern Gangas, rulers of Orissa, and Shuanas, rulers of Devagiri. Question 32. Which of the following statements are correct? First agriculture university was established in Patan Nagar, Uttarakhand's East Wales, part of the Uttar Pradesh, in 1960. During 1901-1955, 6 agriculture colleges were established: Kanpur, Pune, Sabor, Nagpur, Layalpur, and Coimbatore. So option C, only first is correct. First agriculture university at Patnagar, Uttarakhand's eastern part of Uttar Pradesh in 1960. The G.B. Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, also known as Patnagar University, is the first agriculture university of India. It is located at Patnagar, Uttarakhand. College of Agriculture at Kanpur, Sabor, Nagpur, and Layalpur were established in between 1901 to 1905. Agriculture College Sayadapet, Chennai was established in 1868 and later located in Coimbatore during 1906. College of Agriculture at Pune was established 1907. Hence only statement 1 is correct while statement 2 is incorrect. Question 33. The 6th schedule of the Indian Constitutions related to the administration of tribal area of. So इसका ऑप्शन होगा असम, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा एंड मिजोरम. 6 schedules में असम, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा एंड ऑप्शन डी. So the 6 schedules of the Indian Constitutions related to administration of tribal area of Assam, Meghalaya, and Tripura and Mizoram. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answers using the codes, countries, and total medals won by Hangzhou Asian Games 2023. ये करंट का क्वेश्चन है, इम्पोर्टेंट तो नहीं होगा इस न्यू पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, फिर भी हम देख लेते हैं. चाइना 383, जापान 188, रिपब्लिक ऑफ कोरिया 190 एंड इंडिया 107. Question 35. Match list 1 and list 2. Vitamin C, folic acids, vitamin A, B1, vitamin B1. तो विटामिन सी स्कर्वी, B1 बेरी, विटामिन ए नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, फॉलिक एसिड्स एनीमिया. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. विटामिन बी से स्कर्वी, फॉलिक एसिड्स एनीमिया, विटामिन ए से नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, B1 से बेरी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. What is correct in the following statement with the reference of Uttar Pradesh? Age has been determined in the pre-primary education as 3 to 5. Age has been determined in primary education 6 to 11. तो options D, both A and B correct. Pre-primary education 3 to 5 ठीक है, और education determined primary education 6 to 11. So in Uttar Pradesh 3 to 5 the age has been determined the pre-primary educations, and 6 to 11 year age is primary education. Thus both statements are correct. Question 37. Consider the important events of coal minings in India and arrange these in the correct chronological orders starting from the earliest to last activities. First, production of coal in Raniganj, establishment of Coal India Limited, nationalization of coal mine, establishment of National Coal Development Corporations. तो फर्स्ट कोल प्रोडक्शन रानीगंज इन 1774 ईयर, इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ कोल इंडिया इन 1975, नेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ कोल माइंस 1946, इंटरनेशनल कोल्स डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन 1963. हैंस द करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजी एक्टिविटी फर्स्ट, थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड सेकेंड. सो ऑप्शन नहीं दिया, इस वजह से इसका ऑप्शन नहीं है. Question 38. Given below are two statements in which one labels assertions and the other is reasons. बहुत आया था assertion reasons के. The equatorial forest biomes, the biomes with the densest and highest biomass, and reasons. There is a high rainfall and high temperature throughout the year in the equatorial forest regions. So option B is correct. Both A are truths or is correct explanations. The equatorial forest biomes is the biomes with the densest and highest biome because high rainfalls and high temperatures throughout the years in these regions. Equatorial forest. The question 39. Consider the following statements with reference to Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. He was the first graduate of Calcutta University. Sita Rams was the last novels. Both statement A and D correct. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was one of the first graduate of Calcutta University, which was founded in 1858. Sitaram was the last novels. Hence both statements are true. Question 14. Consider the following events and arrange them in the chronological order with the help of the quote. First phase of bank nationalization. Second phase of bank nationalization. Establishment of regional rural banks. Establishment of NABARD. तो फर्स्ट बैंक नेशनलाइजेशन 1969 में हुआ था. फिर सेकेंड फेज ऑफ नेशनलाइजेशन 1980 में हुआ था, और इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ रीजनल रूरल्स बैंक्स 1975 में, और नाबार्ड का 1982 में. सो स्टेटमेंट्स, अरे ऑप्शन सी इज़ करेक्ट. तो इसका पहला होगा, फिर थर्ड होगा फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ नेशनलाइजेशन, फिर इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ रीजनल रूरल बैंक 1975, फिर सेकंड फेज ऑफ नेशनलाइजेशन 1980, एंड फिर इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ नाबार्ड 1982. पिन इन अ बैंकिंग ट्रांजेक्शन इज नोन एज पर्सनल आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर. पिन इन बैंकिंग ट्रांजेक्शन स्टैंड फॉर personal identification numbers. Which one of the following organizations declared as a Varanasi its first tourism and cultural capitals? So Shanghai Cooperation Organizations. So the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO declared Varanasi is the first tourism cultural capital in 2023. That's not correct for करंट न्यूज़ है जो आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट इस टाइम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं. Question 43. Given below are two statements in which one is labels and assertion A and the other's reasons. Assertions A. Saline soils in India are not appropriate for cultivation of crops. Saline soils have a high proportion of salt largely because of dry climate and poor drainage. Both A are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. तो सैलाइन सॉइल इज इंडियाज आर नॉट अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर कल्टिवेशन. ऑफ कोर्स सी बात है, सैलाइन खारा पानी में कोई भी फसल कोई भी क्रॉप अच्छी ग्रो नहीं करेगी. एंड सैलाइन सॉइल इज़ हाई प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ सॉल्ट्स होता ही है, इसी वजह से तो खारा होता है. लार्जली बिकॉज ऑफ ड्राई क्लाइमेट्स एंड पुअर ड्रेनेज. Explanation D. Saline soils is India is not appropriate for cultivation of crop because saline soils have a high proportion of salts largely because of dry climates and poor drainage. Question 44. With reference to Burhan-e-Mulk Sadat Khan's which of the following statement is correct? Sadat Khan was the founder of the independent state of Awadh. He took part in the conspiracy against the Sayyid brothers. Both statements are first and second are true. Sadat Khan, also known as Burhan-ul-Mulk, was the founder of independence principalities of Awas. He took part in the conspiracy against the Sayyid brothers and overthrown them. Hence, both the statements are correct. Question 45. Given below are two statements in which one has labels as assertion and the other was reasons. Rabi crops in India is predominantly cultivated in northwestern like state like Punjab and Haryana. The success of Rabi in this state depend upon the rain due to western tropicals during winters. Option D, both A are true and R is correct explanation of A. Rabi crop, also known as winter crops, and does not are shown in winters and harvest in springs in India. These are predominantly cultivated in the northwestern state like Punjab, Haryana. The success of Rabi crops in this state does not depend upon rain due to eastern tropical cyclone and western disturbance in winters. Hence, assertion A correct or reason R is incorrect. So reason R incorrect. Success of Rabi crops state depend upon due to rain due to western tropical cyclone during the winter. So ऑप्शन में तो डी लिखा है बट ए करेक्ट होगा और रीज़न इनकरेक्ट होगा. इसका ऑप्शन डी नहीं होगा, इसका आंसर सी होना चाहिए. विथ रेफरेंस टू कुचबाज रीजन ऑफ रसिया, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज द रीजन्स इज रिच ऑफ कोल एंड आयरन ओरस. नो, this Rix is an important industrial centers of these regions. Both statement A and first and second are true. The Kuzbaz region of Russia is rich in coals and iron ore. It is one of the largest coal mining areas in Russia. The Novosibirsk is an important industrial centers of this region. The Novosibirsk region is known as aircraft industrials, nuclear industrial engineering industrials, power industries, etc. Currently, Novosibirsk is one of the leading suppliers of the nuclear fuels to world's power market. Question 47. Two statements are given below. One is labels assertion and the other is reason. In October 1940s, Gandhiji gave call for limited satyagraha by few selected individuals. The satyagraha was kept limited so embrace Britain's war effort. C. Both A are true and R is not correct explanations. The Gandhiji launched the limited individual satyagraha in response to August offer. It was protest against the Britishers' governments and their inabilities to meet Indians' demands. The satyagraha was kept limited so as to embrace Britain war efforts. Hence, both assertion A and the reasons are correct. The R is correct explanation to A. Oh, option C. In October 1940, Gandhiji gave calls for a limited satyagraha by few selected individuals. सही है. Satyagraha was kept limited to embrace Britain war efforts. ये भी सही है. रीज़न भी सही है. सो ऑप्शन इसका ए होगा. बोथ ए आर ट्रू एंड आर इज करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए. ऑप्शन सी नहीं होगा. ऑप्शन सी नहीं होगा, ए होगा. Which statement is true regarding Vipin Chandrapal? He was Brahmo Samaj leaders and social reformers. The weekly magazine named New India was published. Vipin Chandrapal was an Indian nationalist and freedom fighter. He was associated with the Brahmo Samaj. He works as a writer, orator, social reformer. A journalist, Pauls worked for Bengal's Public Opinions and Tribunes and New India's. Hence, both statements are correct. Question 49. Match oil refinery or states. Burnai, Bongam, Goa, Minas, Koyali. तो बरनई बिहार में एंड गोन्स असम में, बीना मध्य प्रदेश में, कोयाली गुजरात में. बरौनी बिहार और गोवा गांव असम, बीना मध्य प्रदेश, कोयाली गुजरात. और नेक्स्ट मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन है. आप क्वेश्चन देख लीजिए और सॉल्यूशन देखते हैं इसका. फर्स्ट इक्वेशंस सॉल्यूशंस फर्स्ट और सेकंड करके फिर एडिंग फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड इक्वेशन. सो वी गेट h plus a plus h plus z is equal to 1. Question 51. Consider the following statements reference to Nandini Krishak Samriddhi Yojana. This scheme includes milch cows, breeds of Saivas, Gir Thaparkars and Gangatiris only. Beneficiary must have at least 1 year's cattle shearing experience. Neither one or not true. The Nandini Krishak Samriddhi Yojana is launched Uttar Pradesh government. It is a part of Nand Baba missions. The scheme includes 25 milch cow breeds and beneficiaries have at least 3 years of cattle rearing experience. Hence, none of the statement is correct. 15 balls of each of 200 watts capacity in Silkayaras tunnels and are illuminated continuously for 24 hours. The consumption of electricity will be the total power consumption into watt into hour by thousands to 2000 watt into hour 24 hour और 1000 से डिवाइड किए तो आया 4.8 यूनिट. द टोटल कंजप्शंस ऑफ 15 बल्ब तो 15 इंटू 4.8 तो 72 यूनिट. Consider the followings of the Mughal emperor and arrange the chronological Farooq Shah, Jahandar Shah, Bahadur Shah and Muhammad Shah. तो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. बहादुर शाह, फिर जहांदर शाह, फिर फ़ारूक शाह, फिर मोहम्मद शाह. पहले बहादुर शाह आया था, फिर जहांदर शाह, फिर फ़ारूक शाह, फिर मोहम्मद शाह. मैच लिस्ट 1 and list 2 and correct using quotes. Merchandise turnover, current assets plus current liability, current ratio, liquid assets by current liability, asset test ratio, net profit of interest and tax, gross capitals. So options A is correct. mercantile turnover, cost of goods sold into average stocks, and current ratio, current assets upon current liabilities, acid test ratio, liquid assets of current liabilities, gross capital employed, net profits before interest and tax assessed. Which of the following is the correct order of mentioned in preamble of the Constitution? Sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic. The correct orders in terms of mention in preamble to sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republics. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic. The sovereign, socialist, and secular. Option P is correct. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic भी है पर दिया नहीं. Which statement is correct about the Panchayati Raj? The Panchayati Raj Samitis and Jila Parishad are constituents directly elected by elected members, and the minimum age of 18 to contest election of Panchayat levels. Elections of the Panchayati Raj institutions is conducted under the supervision of state election commissions. So what are the questions asked? Which statement is correct about the Panchayat? So options C is correct. Article 243 is the Indian Constitution says the election of Panchayati Raj institution conducted under the supervision of state election commissions. और ये दोनों गलत था. इलेक्टेड मेंबर से नहीं होता है और मिनिमम एज पंचायत लेवल 25 होती है. With reference to egg marks, which of the following statement is correct? Egg mark is science quality of agriculture's products. Certificate of egg marks is used by Food Corporation India. So options 2 is correct. Egg marks is a certification mark of agriculture product assuring that they conforms to a grade standards. And certificate of egg mark issued by Director of Marketing and Inspections under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Hence, only statement 1 is correct. Select the using codes given below. Both first and second, only 2, only 1 and either one. इसका B ऑप्शन नहीं होगा, इसका only 1 होगा. गलत प्रिंट कर रखा है. तो egg mark certification marks for the agriculture product assuring that they are conforms to grade standard. A certificate of egg mark is issued by the Directors of Marketing Inspections under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Issued by Food Corporation India is गलत. With reference to of the Uttar Pradesh, which of the following statement is correct? Uttar Pradesh divided into 9 economic regions, and Uttar Pradesh has 11 agroclimatic zones. दोनों गलत है. उत्तर प्रदेश divided into 4 economic regions named Eastern region, Western region, Central region, and Bundelkhand regions. And Uttar Pradesh are divided into 9 agroclimatic zones named Tarai, Westerns, Mid-Westerns, Western Semi-Arid Plains, Mid-Westerns, Southern Plains, South-Western Semi-Arid Plains, Bundelkhand, Northeastern Plains, and Vindhyar. Hence, none of the above statement is correct. Question 59. Moradabad is renowned for copper works and has carved niche for itself in the handicraft industry throughout the world. Moradabad Special Economic Zones is the first special economic zones in the northern India's developed Uttar Pradesh governments. Options C, neither one or none. Moradabad is renowned as a brass works and has carved niche for itself in the handicrafts throughout the world. Noida Special Economic Zones and first special economic zones in the northern India is developed by the central government. was set up 1985. Hence both statements are correct. Correct? सो फ्रेंड्स, इसका ऑप्शन सी गलत होगा, इसमें दोनों सही है। मुरादाबाद इज रिनाउंड फॉर द कॉपर वर्क्स, ये गलत है। इसका ऑप्शन ये होगा, मुरादाबाद रिनाउंड फॉर ब्रास वर्क्स एंड द इंडस्ट्रियल कॉर्प नीच इटसेल्फ हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड। इसका जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है वो सही दिया है। नोएडा स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स इज़ द फर्स्ट साउदर्न इकोनॉमिक जोन्स is the first special economic zones in the northern India developed by central government. It is set up in 1985. Hence both statements, ये वाला both statements हैं। मुरादाबाद एक स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स नहीं होगा, इसमें से ये दोनों ऑप्शंस गलत हैं। और एक्सप्लेनेशन में मुरादाबाद ब्रास के लिए आ जाता है और नोएडा स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन, तो ऑप्शन सी उसके हिसाब से सही है। और ये जो करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन में मुरादाबाद ब्रास के लिए था और नोएडा स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन था। क्वेश्चन 6 थोड़ा बहुत कन्फ्यूज़न होगा, यहाँ पे गलत लिख दिया था। हैंस बोथ स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट लिख दिया था, बट यहाँ पे बोथ स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट नहीं है, दोनों स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है। लेकिन ऑप्शन सी दिया हुआ, ऑप्शन सी मतलब नाइदर 1 और 2, ऑप्शन सी यहाँ पे सही दिया। और यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन में हैंस बोथ स्टेटमेंट्स आर इनकरेक्ट लिखना चाहिए थे, इसने करेक्ट लिख दिया। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग कुछ PDF में मिस्टेक्स है उसको भी करेक्ट करते हुए चलेंगे। Given below are two statements. One is labels assertion A and the other is reasons. Jaunpur is known as Siraj-e-Hind. Jaunpur was the great center of education during Sharik's period. तो इसका both A are true है और R correct explanations है। तो Siraj-e-Hind is the ancient name of Jaunpur because it was a great center of education during Sharik periods. The city was founded by Firoz Shah Tughlaq in the memory of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Rocket works as the principle of the conservation of momentum. Rocket work on the principle of conservation of moments. The principle of conservation of momentum state that total momentum of systems is always conserved for isolated system. Some examples of law of conservation momentum: air-filled balloons, system of gun and the bullet. तो इसका ऑप्शन कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम होगा। क्वेश्चन 62 is regarding the Punjab merger. Which of the following statement is false? On 29th March 1849, the Governor General announced state Punjab had come to an end. All the territory of Maharaja Duleep Singh became the part of Indian British Empire, and Duleep Singh was given annual pensions 2.5 lakh rupees. None of them. So Punjab annexations by the British March 1849 as per the Treaty of Lahore, and all territory of Maharaja Duleep Singh becomes the part of Indian British Empire. Duleep Singh was given annual pensions 5 lakh. Hence options C is correct. Duleep Singh was given an annual income of 5 lakh. 2.5 लाख लिखा है। तो एनेक्सेशन हो गया था, पंजाब का मर्जर हो गया था, वो भी टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडियन ब्रिटिश एम्पायर में। सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट है। पेंशन से रिलेटेड दोनों ऑप्शन गलत, वहाँ पे 2.5 लाख लिखा है, यहाँ 5 लाख लिखा है। हो सकता है कुछ पेंशन दे करके उनको उनका जो एरिया था उसको एनेक्स कर दिया गया था। क्वेश्चन 63 5 equivalent vertical lines are drawn on the boards. 5 equidistant horizontal lines are also drawn on the boards. Cutting the vertical lines and the distance between the two consecutive horizontal lines is is equal to the between any two consecutive vertical line. What is the maximum number of squares are found? 4 square, 4 units, 1 square, 3 unit 2 squares, 2 unit 3 squares, 1 unit 4 square. Total number of square 4 का square, 3 का square, 2 का square plus 1 तो 30 हो गया. Question 64. With reference to 69 National Film Award for 2021, which of the following statement RR is and Gangubai Kathiawadi is bags 5 and 6 National Award respectively. Rocketries and Namdi effects on Best Feature Films Awards. So only 2 is correct. Then 69th National Films Award 2021 RR and Gangubai bags 6 to 5 National Award respectively. Hence statement 1 is incorrect. 6 and 5. Rockery and Namdi effects one of the features film awards. Hence statement 2 is correct. So ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है आज के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, क्योंकि अब करंट अफेयर्स तो चेंज होकर के ही आएंगे. In the reference of Mangalyaan launch, ISRO considers the following statement. It is called the Mars Orbiter missions. It was launched on November 2023, 2013. B. Both statement 1 as second correct. The Mars Orbiter missions, unofficially known as Mangalyaan, was a space probe orbiting Mars since 2014. It was launched on 5 November 2013 by the Indian Space Research Organizations. Hence both the statement as true. Which of the following statements are correct? ITC means credit of input tax on supplies of goods and services are both received and registered. Eligibility of ITCs, which may be under the taxable supplies, non-taxable supplies, zero rated supplies. Both statements true. Input tax credits or ITC means the credits of input tax and the supplies of goods and services are both received by the registered persons. Hence the statement 1 is correct. Credit of input tax may be availed for under taxable supplies and non-taxable supplies. Zero rated supply, hence the statement 2 is also correct. Question 67. Which of the following statements are correct? Part third of the fundamental rights of the Constitution based on the right of USA's right to die is fundamental rights under the Articles 21 of the Constitutions. Indian Constitution completes federal constitutions. Fundamental rights can be removed under the Indian Constitutions. So इसमें से only इनकरेक्ट है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आर इनकरेक्ट. इनकरेक्ट बताना कौन सा. पहला तो सही है, फंडामेंटल राइट पार्ट थर्ड में है, लेकिन बी राइट टू डाई इज फंडामेंटल राइट अंडर आर्टिकल इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ये गलत है. और सी भी गलत है. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कंप्लीट फेडरल नहीं है कंप्लीट. और डी भी गलत है. फंडामेंटल राइट कैन बी रिमूव अंडर द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, रिमूव नहीं कर सकता. सो 3 इनकरेक्ट था, केवल करेक्ट फर्स्ट वाला था. पार्ट थर्ड ऑफ द फंडामेंटल राइट्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेस्ड ऑन द बिल्स ऑफ राइट ऑफ यूएसए. हेंस स्टेटमेंट 1 इज करेक्ट. राइट टू डाई इज नॉट अ फंडामेंटल राइट ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. हेंस स्टेटमेंट 2 इज करेक्ट. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस इज द auras of federal constitutions. Hence statement 3 is incorrect. And fundamental rights are basic structure of the constitution and cannot be removed under the constitutional Indian constitution. As the statement 4 is incorrect. Question 68. Match the following name of the academy and establishment. राज्य ललित कला अकेडमीज लखनऊ, उत्तर प्रदेश संगीत नाट्य अकेडमीज, भारतीय नाट्य अकेडमीज लखनऊ, अयोध्या शोध संस्थान. तो राज्य ललित कला अकेडमीज लखनऊ 1962 1962 में हुई थी. उत्तर प्रदेश संगीत नाट्य अकेडमी लखनऊ 63 में हुई थी. भारतीय अकेडमी नाट्य अकेडमी 75 में, अयोध्या शोध संस्थान 86 में, तो लखनऊ में ललित कला अकेडमी 62 में, संगीत नाट्य अकेडमी 63 में, भारतेंदु 75 में, और अयोध्या शोध संस्थान 1986 में. Given below are the statements and assertions and reasons. The Constitution vests of the executive powers of the Union in the President of India. ये तो फिर reasons the President of India is constitutional head of the states. सही है. The Constitution's vest executive power of the Union in the Presidents of India. Both A and 2 are is correct. Article 53 of the Indian Constitution says the executive power of Union vests the Presidents of India because President is the constitutional head of the Indias. So hence both assertion and reason are the correct and R is correct explanation of fair. Question 70. With reference to Victoria Falls of Africa, which of the following statements are correct? It is located in the border of Zambia and Mozambique. It is situated on Zambezi rivers. Only true. So Victoria Falls of Africa, Victoria Falls is situated in Zambezi River in southern Africa. It is located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. ना कि Mozambique, Zambia and Zimbabwe. From the house. So friends, question 70 तक रहने देते हैं. लगभग वीडियो 41 मिनट्स की हो गई है. सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट 71 से स्टार्ट करेंगे और ट्राई करेंगे कि कंप्लीट कर लें. फिर उसके बाद से हिंदी का भी जो PYQs थे जो 12 फरवरी को हुए थे 2023 में, और उसको ही जो लीक हो गया था वही उसको ही हम कंप्लीट करेंगे उस पार्ट को. So thank you from here, and please like, subscribe and share the channel.